Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up, we've got our very own Jamaica Stock Exchange. That's ticker symbol JSE, trading in their shares. It's on the sell side here. It's a small one, but an important one. A director selling down 3,814 shares. It happened September 16th, 2021. Next up, we got QWI Investments Limited here. The updated net asset value, that's the NAV. It's a company announcement. So as at September 17th, 2021, what the company is saying is that their net asset value, that's the NAV, the unaudited price here was Jamaican $1.30 per share. Don't mix it up with the market price, but the companies in some of their prospectuses going way back then, when they listed, they did say they were going to put out this in some cases daily or weekly to the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Next up tonight, we got Jetcon Corporation Limited here, one of Jamaica's largest used car dealers, trading in their shares as well. It's on the sell side. Between September 14th to September 17th, 2021, a director sold a total of 201,000 shares and change. Now, overseas markets, exciting times. US markets still rallying. Subway, QSR, in the whole food franchise business, coming out. They're a private company, but they're coming out here with some good news, giving some guidance, which they don't usually do because they're a private company, that the August revenue figures, their sales figures for August 2021, were the highest or the best ever for the company, for the US restaurants since 2013. Subway is still privately held. So the announcement for their overall holding company is an interesting look. The company has been trying to get better results for a number of years, going back not just 5 years, but 7 years. Now, what the company is saying is that they expect to beat revenue targets by $1 billion US or more for 2021. Now, Subway actually has globally more than 40,000 stores. The CEO is actually saying, despite COVID-19, the pandemic, about 75 to 80% of the stores have reopened, not for dining in, but actually just, pick up or take out and so forth. Last up tonight, we got DraftKings. Similar to Supreme Ventures in Jamaica, a little bit of a different market segment, but gambling, sometimes it's branded as the entertainment sector, is a very big deal in terms of revenue profit making. Globally, it's the same thing. When you look at globally here, DraftKings coming out with a big time offer here for a UK online sports betting company. It's called Entain. It's a 20 billion US offer. DraftKings is actually, in not just online gaming, but fantasy sports for persons who like that. No, it's a stock offer and some cash. Now, Entain rejected an 11 billion US dollar all-stock offer from MGM Resorts earlier this year. So now seeing DraftKings come in for this deal at 20 billion versus 11 billion, looks like it was a good look for that company in the UK to actually reject that offer. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.